Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitLab projects for LinkedIn case study creation step by step clearly. To activate GitLab projects for LinkedIn case study creation, begin by logging into your GitLab account. Navigate to your GitLab dashboard. Click on the Projects tab in the menu. Select New Project to create a new repository. Name your project relevant to your LinkedIn case study. Choose between a blank project or import from another source. Set the visibility level to private for confidentiality. Click on Create Project to finalize the setup. Once your project is created, navigate to the project's main page. Locate the Repository tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Upload any initial files or documentation needed for the case study. To document progress, use the Issues tab to create tasks related to your case study. For collaboration, invite team members by clicking on Members in the project settings. Add their GitLab usernames or email addresses. Assign appropriate roles such as developer or maintainer. Consider creating a wiki for detailed documentation and insights. Access the wiki by clicking the Wiki tab. Use it to write summaries and research findings relevant to the case study. To ensure version control, familiarize yourself with Git commands for committing changes. Utilize the merge requests feature for code reviews and collaboration. Create a merge request for any new features or updates you wish to integrate. Track your progress by regularly updating issues and comments. Review the project regularly to keep everything on track. When the case study is complete, summarize key findings in a dedicated section. Prepare to showcase the project on LinkedIn by documenting all essential details. Ensure your project's visibility is set to allow sharing, if necessary. Once everything is prepared, you are now ready to promote your GitLab project on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.